Alright guys, here's the wave forecast for November 9th, 2006. This is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has the appearance of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Look at the 5-day chart. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 2, and then the pattern break. Only problem was the NASDAQ didn't close at the highs. Neither did Google, because Google out of nowhere got slammed. But the futures are up about 4 and it was up after hours, so cross my fingers. NASDAQ has the setup right now, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and the highest possible target. If it can take out 23.93 tomorrow in a gap, this is as high as 24.75. So that's the best case scenario. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but the setup is there, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. But the problem is we didn't close at the highs, and that's what's really annoying. There's a lot of stuff that happened at the close. I mean, something about runs filled, but that doesn't really matter because that's been everybody's known about that. It's not like a market move or anything, you know. The market mover was the fact that the Democrats took Senate in the they took the Senate in the House, and I've been a Republican for a long time, but I actually changed. I switched sides, and I'm happy. But I don't want to say that too often because I know a lot of investors are Republican. Anyway, enough about that. DJI has a setup too. It looks so perfectly defined. It's like I would just be shocked if there's no big rally off these patterns because this is just so obvious to me. I mean, look at the data. Look at this. Look at it. It's nice and round. Wave 1, wave 2, nice and round, and then there's the pattern break right there. But it didn't close at the highs though. That's the problem. It didn't close at the highs, and that's what helps. If you have a pattern break, wave 1, wave 2, it's got to close at the highs. If I can eyeball this, a full upper 3 target as high as about 12,500. That's the best case scenario, an upper 3 at 12,500. But we didn't close at the highs, neither did NASDAQ. Alright, S&P, wave 1, they're all the same. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Highest target, if I can eyeball this, is as high as 13. Let's see. I'm eyeballing this. Okay, 25, 40, 14, 15, about 14, 15, 14, 20, and upper 3. If we can gap up and take out 1389. Didn't close at the highs though, but we'll find out. So the futures are up. I'd say futures are up at least. We'll find out what happens tomorrow morning. That's a wrap.